Hello friends, welcome. Already we have posted Lyzol type premium quality floor cleaner, but the problem is its manufacturing cost. In case of premium quality floor cleaner, if chemicals are purchased in a retail manner, the manufacturing cost is from 50 to 60 rupees. It is high. So here, today we are going to prepare Lysol type economy floor cleaner. If chemicals are purchased in a retail manner, the manufacturing cost will be around 25 rupees. If chemicals are purchased in wholesale manner, the manufacturing cost will be 15 to 20 rupees. Of course, this is my opinion because cost is variable from shop to shop, and even in same shop, first quality material is different price, second quality material is different price. So this is just my opinion only, not ultimate statistics. Anyhow, it is possible to prepare floor cleaner much cheaper, but it is not advisable. Without compromising the quality, performance, and safety, we have formulated this floor cleaner. We have included all round surfactants, chelating agents, wetting agents, and disinfectants. Let us get into the making video. I have taken all the materials to prepare 1 liter of Lysol type economy floor cleaner. I am arranging all the materials as per the sequence in which I am going to use. First, I am charging RO water. The complete measurement details has been given in PDF formula. Then I am charging isopropyl alcohol. This is a safe disinfectant and also a powerful solvent to dissolve dirt and grime on the floor. Also, it will accelerate the drying process of floor. Next, I am charging SLES. This is powerful and safe anionic surfactant. We are using SLES as primary surfactant. This is CAPB. This is also mild and effective surfactant. This is amphoteric surfactant. We are using CAPB as co-surfactant. Next, in case of a floor cleaner formulation, the role of wetting agent is unavoidable. So, I am charging Alfox 200. Apart from wetting agent, Alfox 200 is a surfactant. In combination, we have added 3 different surfactants. SLES is anionic surfactant, CAPB is amphoteric surfactant, Alfox 200 is non-ionic surfactant. So we can expect a perfect cleaning performance. And one more thing, in Alfox 200 itself, I am going to mix the perfume. After getting the homogeneous solution, I am going to charge in reaction vessel. Now we will discuss one thing regarding the choice of perfume. We are planning to prepare Lysol citrus type economy floor cleaner. So the choice of perfume will be any one of these 3 perfumes. Either we can choose lime or lemon or lemongrass. Now I am mixing the perfume with Alfox 200 and making as a homogeneous paste, homogeneous medium, and slowly charging. This is EDTA solution. I have dissolved EDTA in water. It looks turbid, so I am going to filter before charging. This is a chelating agent and also a builder. Then I am charging citric acid. Here we will discuss one important point. Here the quantity is not important, how much citric acid we are adding. Either we can add little excess or little less. The important point is We need to maintain the pH. For our floor cleaner, the desired pH should be from 5 to 7. So the amount of citric acid is in order to maintain the pH within the range of 5 to 7. If pH is more than 7, then by adding some amount of citric acid we can reduce the pH. If pH is less than 5, by adding some amount of sodium citrate we can raise the pH. I have done the pH adjustment. Now the pH is 5. Then I am charging hydrogen peroxide. This is a safe oxidizing agent, a disinfectant, stain remover and also a bleaching agent. Finally, I am charging color, of course yellow color. Here we need to discuss one more point regarding the addition of color. We need to choose synthetic colors, not food colors, because in this formulation we have included a oxidizing agent, hydrogen peroxide. So there is possibility for partially or fully decolorization of colors. So the point is we need to choose the synthetic colors and also we need to ensure its compatibility. And I am adding preservative. That's all. The process is over. Mixing properly once again. Now let us allow to settle for 24 hours. This is after 24 hours. It looks clear and transparent. Of course, homogeneous solution. It is not a Lyzol equivalent formula. It looks like Lyzol, but it is Lyzol type a floor cleaner formula.